Welcome to JH. The HHVB GLP-1 6-in-1 health solution claims to be the ultimate miracle in a bottle, promising to cure obesity, torch fat, and even fix your lymph nodes. It sounds like a dream come true, but if a single liquid could actually do all that, doctors would be out of a job and we'd all be living in a fitness commercial. Let's take a closer look at what's actually going on here. First, the website proudly claims the product is FDA approved and GMP certified. It sounds incredibly official until you realize they haven't provided a single certificate or document to back it up. Apparently, we're just supposed to take their word for it, because trust me, bro, is definitely a valid medical standard. Without actual evidence, these are just fancy marketing buzzwords used to fill space. Then there are the doctors featured on the site. To be honest, they look more like AI-generated avatars or stock photos pulled from a generic professional Google search than actual medical experts. Using fake faces to win your trust is a pretty desperate move, but it gets even better when you look at the before and after photos. Many of these transformations feature people who aren't even the same person, sporting different skin tones and entirely different body types. It's less of a weight loss journey and more of a witness protection program. The red flags keep waving with their statistics, like claiming 99% fast results or 98% lower blood sugar. They never mention who conducted this research or where the data came from, likely because the numbers were pulled straight out of thin air to sound impressive. It's easy to have perfect stats when you're the one making them up in your basement. Finally, let's talk about those glowing 5-star reviews. Every single comment on their site is a masterpiece of praise. Yet when you check independent platforms like Trustpilot, there isn't a single genuine review to be found. It's almost as if they wrote the feedback themselves to create a fake hype train. When you add up the unverified claims, the suspicious photos, and the imaginary statistics, this product has more red flags than a minefield. Stay cautious and don't fall for the marketing tricks. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more updates.